I got a doing different meeting review, and today I want to review the Ordro M5. One of the reasons why I was looking for like a pocket-sized camera is my wife. She takes up a lot of space on her phone, and she also does a lot of. She also has different TikTok pages. She has like two where she does one for homeschool. She does one where she just primarily focuses on the care from a motherly perspective of just taking care of yourself as mom. And the other page is called Mom Maven. So she has one that's called Mom Maven, and she also has one where she focuses on homeschooling activities for kids. And one of the things that she does is she uses up a lot of space on her phone. It's interesting because I think that she actually has we actually do have a Google One subscription, which is like they give you data in the cloud or space in the cloud. One of the things that I just told her, I was like, babe, I think it'd be probably be best if you just get a actual pocket size camera. One that you could also because one you could also carry around and things of that nature. Because I think that on one aspect, it's like, well, I have the cloud, but I don't want to use up all my space on the cloud. Just taking pictures on my phone, which is convenient. But I think also too, the other aspect of it as well is that she also wanted to have like another camera for like outside things like that with the kids and running and stuff. And I think this camera, the Ordro M5, is actually wonderful for that. We recently went on vacation about last weekend. We have a timeshare at Massanutten, and we went there. My wife and my children. It was actually Mother's Day weekend, Mother's Day weekend of 26, and it was like really the weather was wonderful. We actually got in the pool on Sunday on that Sunday, so it was a wonderful time, wonderful weather, and we just kind of did different outings outside of Massanutten with the children. Walked on trails, got in the pool, and so it actually gave us time to actually put this camera to use. And I'll show you guys some of that footage here shortly. I'll show you some of that footage, but I just wanted to talk about the camera. I think it's a wonderful camera. I think it's a wonderful, a great solution if you're somebody that like my wife, you want to record or film your outings, whether it's homeschool stuff or if it's just you just hiking or biking, but you don't want to actually use your phone. Like I think, and also too, what I also will say to that, the other caveat is that like, well, if I'm hiking or biking or doing activities with the kids like my wife is doing with the homeschool activities, is that like, well, if I actually drop my phone, like I'm gonna be, pretty upset if I drop this camera, I'm gonna be upset as well. But I think that you'll be more upset the fact that you drop your phone because of, if it's broke, you may not be able to use it, may not be able to make phone calls, may not be able to access different things in your phone that you need. So I think it's just was a better solution for us, more so for the space side of it, that she get this camera so she don't run up too much space on her phone and just use the camera for that. And I was laughing at myself while I was actually preparing this video. It was like, my wife probably gonna end up using like 10 SIM cards for this and this 10 SD cards with this camera because she just takes so many pictures a day. You know, she said probably takes like 1,000 pictures a day. But I'm gonna show you some of the footage on the camera, and you can just kind of decide if if this is an option for you. They do have 4K, 5K option on this. I think on most of the photos, I tried to limit it to like 2K. What I will say is that I think most of these cameras, and again, I haven't played with it too much. One of the things that I will say that I've noticed, and I think that most people who have cameras, it's a no-brainer. But if you're inside, you actually have to change some of the settings so it can take better pictures in an indoor setting versus if you're outside. So I just want to kind of say that I noticed that when we went to outside, and you'll see here shortly, like you'll see whenever we're inside or indoors, some of the footage is like kind of dark, but when we go outside, it's like real light. I think that, again, that's one of the flip side of getting one of these cameras that you may have to actually learn how to adjust it. I'll be honest, I'll be upfront with you. I haven't really used it that much. I was using it to take videos and stuff, but I didn't actually play with the settings because I knew that it was a camera. It was actually I bought it for my wife for her birthday, so I knew that I wasn't really gonna play with it that much anyway. So I was like, yeah, whatever. So I fooled with the settings enough to know how to record and how to take photos. And also I had to play with it enough to make sure that she knew how to operate it. Because my wife, one of the things, as a husband, you buy something for your wife, and then now they want you to they want you show them how to use it instead of going on YouTube or reading the instructions. I did have to figure out that much how to use it so that I could show her how to use certain things. I will say one of the things about this camera that I'm really impressed with is I had did a video with my phone of like us like moving outside, the kids running around, and you see it's like real bouncy, jumpy. Versus with this camera, it was smooth. I'm like, oh my goodness, like that's crazy. So I think that's one of the things that I would say with this camera is that, like, again, if you're somebody that goes outside biking, hiking, roller skating, we also roller skate as well. We also bike. This camera's gonna be good for that, for as the motion. It's gonna be good for that. Like, that's one of the things that really surprised me about this camera. I was like, wow. And I think that you can probably get that from a cell phone if you arrange certain settings, but I think the average person doesn't do that because the average person they don't really like anticipating on using their anticipating on posting videos online from their cell phone. If they do, it's probably on Facebook. So I think that this is one of the aspects of this camera that I thought was like, mwah, spectacular. Was that, and again, I'm sure this camera in some capacity it's some form of an action camera, so it's probably designed to be that way on purpose. And I also like the like right now I'm shooting this video. I actually have the camera facing towards me and I'm facing the screen, so I'm actually able to see myself in the screen versus turn the other way around. So I think I like how the camera can do a 360, a 180. I think that I like the different angles that you can turn it. I'll do it real quick. You can turn it that way, this way, up, down. Like, it can even go all the way around my room, but I won't, for the sake of the video, I won't. My podcast room right now is kind of not the cleanest right now. So again, there for me any reviews. Right now I'm going to show you some footage of this camera, and if you like it, definitely go out and get it. I did get this off of eBay. You guys that watch my channel know I'm the eBay king when it comes to buying pre-owned products. I got this pre-owned off of eBay for $220. Yeah, I think that was a decent price. Let me see how much really quick it's going for. On Ordro's website, it's going for $249.99. Walmart.com is going for $289.99. So yeah, so roughly it's going between $250 to $290, depending on where you get it from. So I got it for $220 off eBay. Let me see. Did I give it to 20? I'm lying. I just looked up my eBay receipt. I got it for 200. I got it for 212 with taxes out the door. So I got it for $200 on eBay to 212 with taxes out the door. So again, if you want this camera, definitely look for it on eBay. If you don't want to spend if you want to spend the full 250 plus tax, probably like 270. So, but again, great camera. Let's look at some of the footage. And until next time, definitely any reviews. Peace.
Is that what it say? Alligators? Oh. Toe biters.
No bugs that bite your toe. Really. Yeah, my first time using this. This guy kind of looks cute.
Let's go along here. Come on.
I don't have shoes. I don't have clothes for shoes. I
Don't hold the plate over the water, please. Top it on the water.
You heard me, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. Guys, look, it's a dragonfly. Alright, time to do our nature now. Where? Does it have?
It's a snake! Look!
Where?
Oh, it went in the hole.
Where?
It went in the hole right here. But it said back up.
I don't see it.
It's camouflaging.
No, it went just crawled in the hole when it hurt me. It crawled in the hole right there.
Where is it?
Probably a water snake.
Or a water moccasin. Like say, come on.
They have scales.
I couldn't see. It was a baby snake.
Wow. It might have been one of those little worm-like
They don't have alligators.
things. Probably was the little worm-like things that look
I
like
don't think you're doing
snakes.
this, can you?
That stable.
Right here we have a
Let me do that. Wait.
we have a snake right here. Pretty big guy.
Back up. No, the end is back up.
Big guy. Big guy.
Look.
The other side. Back up, because what if something jump out? Hey, this guy is on the move. Yes, this is gonna move. Get out of that home bed. Alright, back up. I'm you going under that?
No.
Back up, everybody. Back up. Hey.
Bye.
Where'd he go? I need like sticks. That could be by this these rocks though.
Fun fact, reptiles like heat. So they'll bathe in the heat, and when they get too hot, they'll get in the water. Trey, give him over there, please.
I know that it's nonsense.
Come on, y'all come on.
Don't say, give me that butterfly dragon.
Look, Elijah.
Y'all back up.
Also, too, Elijah, look, when you're controlling this, I'm sorry. Elijah, come here. When you're controlling this, like you gotta, if say it's, right now it's 2 down, you gotta press up to get your mom face so you can go down. You gotta keep it, always keep it in level. So you do this with the button. Look, left, right.
Left.
I might take this from your mom. She don't want this. Oh, turn around.
I'm seeing little frogs. Teeth. Yeah, look. Hey. It's my birthday.
You want teeth? Come on, you want teeth.
I'm basking. Come on. Picture. You getting a picture
Yeah.
of me?
Let's take a picture.
No. Guys, there may be some more things. That was pretty cool. That's called.
I think they were water moccasins. Elijah, Google, are there water moccasins? Oh well.
They're probably water snakes. They're probably hunting the fish.
Put a thunderstorm a little later on. Are there water moccasins in Massachusetts, Virginia?
Why is it?
Elijah, you were right. It's called a northern water snake. You're right. They're not putting. No, they're not. There are no water moccasins.
I see one right there. Hold on, point again. He's under there. Point again. He's under that.
It's probably the same one.
Yeah, it is. Oh, he came out the water.
How you know? It's the same one from before?
Me? Leanne, look down at the snake, please. Just Leanne. I need to get a picture.
Come on, guys. Come on.
It could bite. It's not venomous, but
Sherelle, what's cool about this, Sherelle? Look,
look at that. Kitty.
what is that at?
I said that.
Come on.
It got claws.
Like this.
Can we go up?
Yeah. Like this. Might be snakes over here. Y'all want to get a snake without getting it. Stop swatting the bee.
Lila, he's fine. He ain't gonna be able to hit no bee. Excuse me.
Rebecca.
Come on. We can go see the petting zoo if we can. With mommy. The petting zoo. Come on. I don't know about lions and gorillas. Yeah, that's probably a bit of a stretch.
One of the snakes.